Hello everyone, I am making Tindora and yam Shak actually. I did saute, I left it on the normal mode. I did vagar, right? The tadka, put in just jiru, salt, pepper, red mirchi, turmeric, some hing. I put in Giloda, and now I'm going to add the sweet potatoes today for a change. Here are the sweet potatoes. They are organic. I peeled and diced them. You can dice them any which way you want. When you're adding them, only add them dry. Do not add the extra water because this shak is supposed to be dry, okay? Okay, all I did is add some jeera powder, some garam masala, some amchur because I don't like it super sweet with my sweet potatoes, even though they're supposed to be sweet. And you see how the water has come down a little bit? I'm going to add just a quarter, if not less than that, cup of water, and then I'm going to let this steam so it stays dry. There it is. Okay, just put the lid on. Don't forget to turn it off. Put it on steam. Can you see it? There it is. Now instead of 6 minutes, I'm going to bump it up to about 12 minutes. I don't mind it if it gets mushy. I am going to just seal it, not that it should take that long. We'll come back and see how it is. Alright, we're going to check on the Tindora and sakari on the shak. Look at this. Oh, okay, it's getting steamy, but look how nicely this is cut. See how soft? Literally comes right off. See that? There you go. And you can check Giloda too, nice and cooked. And since I like it even drier than what this is, I'm going to leave it on saute mode for about 3 to 5 minutes. No big deal. I'm going to turn it off. Sorry, it's not clear, the focus. And just let it do its thing. It doesn't need to, just keep an eye on it, you'll be fine. There it is though, shak is ready. Okay, this literally took 2 minutes. I just turned it off. See how nice and dry it is? Now, what I'm going to do, because we're not ready to eat dinner yet, I'm actually going to just close it. You don't have to worry about this sealing or unsealing. And I'm going to leave it on. And what that's going to do is leave it on warm for another 4 hours, which obviously it's not going to take us that long to eat dinner. But it'll be nice and hot by the time we're sure anyone comes home. And we're actually ready to sit and eat dinner. Don't worry, this thing can always be released if need be. I don't really care right